What does Selma mean to you?
I know it's been times I felt immense love from the city, but at the same time, the city of Selma is not the best place to grow up in.
For so many years, we've watched the same things, buildings that are dilapidated and potholes in the street, and it's hard for people to see this and understand why we're not progressing.
Selma is one place in America that can bring about change and be an example of change if we step up and do it.
We're a team whether we like it or not. We're gonna rise or fall together. If we choose differently right now, I think it would be just as historic as it was in '65.
To me, the significance of Selma is that in 1965, it helped us see the work that we needed to do as a nation and go over the bridge together. Now, it can remind us once again of the work we need to do as a nation, and that it's time to go back over the bridge again.
Either we're gonna grow together or we're gonna grow apart. That choice is up to us.